Hi there. Today, we're going to talk about blockchain. So, what is blockchain? Imagine you have a notebook where you keep track of all your expenses. You write down every single purchase you make, along with the date, amount, and other details. This notebook is like a ledger, which is a fancy word for a record-keeping system. Now, imagine that instead of just you keeping the notebook, thousands of other people have copies of it too. And every time you make a new entry in your notebook, all those other people update their copies too. That's essentially how a blockchain works. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that's maintained by a network of computers. Every time a new transaction, or block, is added to the blockchain, it gets verified and then added to every copy of the ledger that's out there. This means that the ledger is tamper-proof, because if someone tries to alter a block, all the other copies of the ledger will disagree and reject the change. But why is this useful? Well, because it means that no one person or organization has control over the ledger. Instead, it's a shared database that's transparent and secure. This makes it perfect for things like cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, where you need a way to keep track of who owns what without relying on a central authority. So, that's a very basic overview of what blockchain is and how it works. Of course, there's a lot more to it than that, but hopefully this gives you a good starting point.